Hey guys, Gadget Droid here. When it comes to large format printers, most people don't think of them as exciting tech products. They're big, they're industrial, they're designed for workspaces like architecture firms, engineering offices, and construction sites. But every once in a while, a printer comes along that blends raw performance with smart design and practical features in a way that feels a little bit like a well-engineered piece of consumer tech. And that's exactly what I think about when I look at the HP DesignJet T850. This is a 36-inch large format color plotter printer that comes with a 2-year warranty care pack, and it's targeted directly at professionals who need precision, speed, and flexibility when printing things like technical line drawings, renders, posters, and maps. It's not your everyday desktop inkjet, it's an actual workhorse for people who rely on print quality and productivity in their business. The first thing you notice about the T850 is its size and build. This thing is not small. At 27.6 inches deep, 55.4 inches wide, and 38.1 inches tall, it's very much a piece of office furniture rather than just an accessory. But for a 36-inch plotter, the footprint is actually pretty compact, and HP clearly designed it with work environments in mind. It comes with a media bin and stand included, so you don't need to buy extras to get it fully functional out of the box. And because it's finished in sleek black with clean lines, it doesn't scream industrial equipment. Instead, it actually looks like something that could sit in a modern studio or design office without clashing with the space. Now, specs are where the T850 starts to flex. You're getting up to 2400 by 1200 optimized p, which translates into incredibly precise line work and vibrant colors. For architects or engineers who need to see every small detail in their drawings, that kind of resolution is crucial. It's not just about sharpness either, it's about accuracy. You want to know that the line you designed on screen is going to come out exactly as intended on paper, and that's what this printer delivers. For posters and maps, the vibrancy and depth of the colors really pop, so it's versatile enough to handle creative prints as well as technical documents. Speed is another big selling point. The T850 can crank out a D-size page in as little as 25 seconds, or up to 90 D-size prints per hour. For context, a D-size page is 24 by 36 inches, which is pretty big. Being able to turn those around in under half a minute each is a serious productivity boost, especially if you're working in an environment where deadlines are tight and multiple people need to share the printer. And that speed doesn't come at the cost of quality, you still get those high-resolution results even when printing fast. HP has really balanced performance with consistency here. Paper handling is also really flexible. This isn't just a one-size-only machine. It can handle media sizes from A4 all the way up to A0, and you've got both an input tray and manual feed options. That means whether you're running off small sheets for quick drafts or massive A0 prints for final presentations, the T850 is ready to go. That versatility makes it an easy fit for teams that need to juggle different project requirements without switching between multiple printers. And it means you can do more with one machine, which is always a win. Connectivity is another area where HP has made things easier. Out of the box, you get Gigabit Ethernet for fast wired connections, Wi-Fi 802.11b/g/n for wireless setups, and USB for direct connections. That flexibility means you can integrate it into pretty much any network environment. Whether you've got a large office network or you just want to place it in a more convenient spot and connect wirelessly, the T850 adapts. And once it's set up, it works smoothly with a variety of devices, so your workflow isn't slowed down by compatibility issues. One of the things I appreciate most about this printer is HP's approach to ink. The T850 uses 4 pigment-based ink cartridges: cyan, magenta, yellow, and matte black. The pigment-based system is important because it gives you prints that are both long-lasting and smudge-resistant, which is crucial for professional documents. These cartridges are designed to be cost-effective, reducing the frequency of replacements and cutting down on running costs over time. And because they're pigment-based, you're not just getting good color reproduction, you're getting durability and consistency across every print. Performance isn't the only story though. HP has also packed in some thoughtful features that make day-to-day use easier. You get 1 GB of memory built in, which helps the printer handle complex jobs without choking. There's an auto document feeder for streamlining workflows, and even auto on/off scheduling to save energy when the printer isn't in use. Those small touches don't always get talked about, but in a busy office,